Traditional indexes like B+ trees are great for high cardinality keys. But what happens when our data attributes have low cardinality, like gender, rating, or status? This is where bitmap indexing shines, representing categories as efficient sequences of bits. Consider a table of customers with ratings from 1 to 3. A bitmap index constructs a distinct bit vector for each unique rating value. If row 3 has rating 2, its corresponding bit in the rating 2 vector is set to 1, while others are set to 0. The true power of bitmaps lies in multi-attribute queries. To find gold members with high ratings, we perform a hardware-level bitwise an operation on their vectors. The resulting vector immediately flags matching rows, bypassing expensive table scans. While bitmap indexing is exceptionally fast for reads and query filtering, it comes with a trade-off. Because row updates lock entire segments of the bitmap, they are best suited for read-heavy environments like data warehouses rather than transactional databases.